The Brave Little Bird. Once upon a time, in a large forest, there lived a small bird named Tweet. Tweet was a little sparrow, but unlike the other birds, he had one special dream. He wanted to fly higher than anyone else in the forest. Every day, Tweet would watch the bigger birds soaring high above the trees. The eagle flew effortlessly in the sky, and the hawk swooped through the air with grace. Tweet would flap his wings as hard as he could, but he couldn't reach the same heights. He often felt sad, thinking he would never be as good as the others. One day, Tweet went to visit his wise grandmother, who lived in a small tree hollow. She had seen many seasons pass and knew the forest well. Tweet, feeling sad. "Grandmother, I try so hard to fly high, but I can't. I'm too small. Why can't I be like the eagle or the hawk?" Grandmother, smiling kindly. "Tweet, remember that every bird has its own way of flying. You may not soar like the eagle, but you have something special that others don't. You just need to believe in yourself." Tweet felt unsure, but he thanked his grandmother and decided to try again. The next morning, as the sun rose, Tweet stood at the edge of the forest and looked up at the sky. The big birds were already flying high, but Tweet took a deep breath and spread his wings. With all his might, Tweet began to flap his wings. It was hard at first, and he felt the weight of doubt pulling him down, but he didn't stop. Slowly, he began to rise above the trees, higher and higher. The wind gently lifted him, and soon Tweet was soaring through the sky, just like the other birds. As Tweet flew higher, he noticed something surprising. The higher he flew, the more beautiful the world below became. He could see the sparkling river, the green fields, and the tall mountains in the distance. He realized that his size didn't matter. What mattered was that he kept trying and believed in his ability. Tweet felt a rush of joy and freedom as he glided through the air. It didn't matter that he wasn't as big as the eagle. He was flying at his own height, and it was perfect. From that day on, Tweet flew every day, exploring new parts of the forest and enjoying the view from above. He knew that he might not be the fastest or the biggest, but he was brave and determined, and that made all the difference. Moral of the story: believe in yourself and never give up, no matter how small you feel. Everyone has their own strengths, and with hard work and courage, you can achieve great things. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.